Hey, so you want to get paid on Gumroad using PayPal? It's easy to set up, and I'll walk you through every step so your payments come in smoothly. First, log into your Gumroad account. You need to be logged in to access payout settings. Click on Settings in your dashboard, then select Payout or Payments. In the payout options, choose PayPal as your payment method. This allows Gumroad to send your earnings directly to your PayPal account. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Make sure it's correct or you might not receive your funds. Gumroad may send a small verification to your PayPal account to confirm it's active. Check your PayPal inbox and approve if required. You can choose PayPal as your default payout option, so all future earnings go there automatically. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Update to confirm your PayPal connection. Now your PayPal is connected. You'll see it in your payout settings, and Gumroad will send earnings directly to PayPal. So yeah, that's how you connect PayPal to Gumroad. Simple, quick, and now your earnings can go straight to your account without any hassle.